Hi guys, please video nadula di ko og FNAF Cop. So, sayo ko nakadula guys ano, Sabado karon. Arba ko ba na Sabado di karon guys? Let's play a game. FNAF Cop. Five Nights at Freddy man ni siya guys. Ikaw ba ko nakadula ng Five Nights at Freddy? Creepy kayo siya guys kanang ko ang mga electronics good guys. Kaya si Springtrap. Kaila ko. Okay, Springtrap katong tridor na ano na tridor na ang sa to na escape lagi. Na electronic katong tridor na electronic naglagot to niya guys. Nakatalo na ko ato na kuan guys na salida. Nindot kita pero creepy kayo na ipatay-patay. Okay. So let's game FNAF Cop Five Nights at Freddy. Pero pa ko nakadula guys. Okay. Nakatanan ako movie ani niya. Creepy kayo. So ano patay-patay guys. Nya ano ang katong tao mas si Mike. Si Mike katong. Si Mike katong ang security guard. Si Mike diba? Okay. Hindi naman to nag-standby sila. Si Freddy o sila ano Bunny o si Pika, Foxy. Diba diri ako play. Ulit ano FNAF at one pa sa one. Select. So let's go. Let's game na. Start. Start at kay gadali ko. Gadali. Isa-tilan nyo ko magdula guys. FNAF ko. Okay. Magang security guard ta diri karon. Magang security. Mag-guard sa mag-guard. Security. Okay. So wait. Let's waiting the ano. Okay, mag-hightan nila Freddy. Okay, di lang ta mag-high. Ibisay kabaton ko niya. Joke. Wow.
USA, 1993. After a long financial struggle, you finally found a summer job. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, looking for night guards to keep the place in order during closing time.
Si Chica, Freddy, Bunny,
However, you soon realize the company is not only in crippling debt, but also behind a terrible tragedy. Some people say the animatronic characters carry the souls of the children who died there. Desperate for money, you chose to ignore these facts and made your way to the location for your first night.
Oh my gosh. Loay kasi lagkuan na kanang kinabuhi nga nahimo sa ringin ato. Okay, lagi makita na akong face. Bala na. Okay. I sa inyo. So laro tayo ng Five Nights at Freddy. Hi Chica. Hi Freddy. Hi Bunny. So let's go. Maging security guard sa adiri araw. Maging guard sa nila Freddy, nila Five Nights at Freddy. Okay. Si Banyo. Okay, asa man tong pang sa security guard kaya CCTV. Okay. Top. Wala, okay. Unlock. Okay, lock siya. Okay, let's okay, dari ata CCTV. Okay, ara sila. Okay, let's go. 12 AM na. Oh my gosh, 12 AM. Kasi sila manggawas patay. Creepy lagi ni Wait lang. CCTV. Okay, why nawala sila ha? Okay, oh my gosh. Okay. Magagawa sa tayo. Okay, oh my gosh. Ano, palo ang suga. Oh my god! Kila. Okay, let's go. Okay, wait lang. Just la creepy lagi ay ang Five Nights at Freddy. Ang salida pod ani, creepy pod ang salida ani guys. Oh my gosh, tapos kami. Ano to guys? Sister Rio. Five Nights at Freddy picture. Ano ba din si Foxy? Ay, dili siya. Gitabunan lang siya. Ano gitabunan si Kuan Foxy. Okay. Hi Foxy. Good morning. Ginagala-gala dito na. May chika. Okay, unsa to? Unsa tong gatingog? Okay. Sa to ka CCTV. Okay, hi mga animatronics. It's so creepy. Mga animatronics. Creepy kasi okay, magkarat-karat lagi ang uban. Okay, creepy kayo. Okay, let's go. Okay, muna ang mga drawing. Okay, oh my gosh. Help me. Okay, wait lang. Okay, let's go. Tapalong ang light. The light is a palong-palong. Din, oh no, oh my gosh. Kaya isa inyo. Okay, exit. What's this? Exit. Exit. La. Teddy bear na ano, oh. Na spring bunny ba to? Okay, oh my gosh. It's so creepy. Five Nights at Freddy. Okay, wait lang. Okay, what's this door? Asa man ta? Asa ta maagi? Okay, oh. The light is is off. Is off the light. Okay. We gani why jump scare. Wait lang. Nabuto taglayo. Oh my god. Okay. Go. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's so creepy. Sword ano to? Hindi masira. Hindi mo nisuga. The light is open. Kanan na ko eh. Kanila man din ano. I mean, jump scare na. Oh my gosh, nawala si ano. 2 AM. Nawala lagi si Bunny. Where's Bunny? Where's a Bunny? Nawala si Bunny. Oh my gosh. Nawala si Bunny, guys. Asa siya? Pangitaan ako sabi. Asa siya pangitaan? Eto! Oh my gosh! 3 AM. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This one, my jump scare. Hala! Nawala si Bunny. Ano ako si Kuon? Freddy mo nagwala. Ba? Oh my gosh. 3 AM na, guys. It's so creepy. Hala. Muna, mag-insecurity. Nawa pa si Chica. Chica is here. CCTV. Oh my gosh. Where's Chica? Chica is here. Oh my gosh. It's 3 AM. Oh. What is this? Oh, si Chica. Oh my gosh, Chica. Where's Bunny? Bunny. Oh my gosh. Bunny. Oh my gosh, nakita na ko si Chica. Ay, nawa. Nawa. Oh my gosh. Nawa si Chica. Nawa si Chica, guys. Stop. Okay. Where's Chica? Kinawa si... Uy, unsa to? Okay. Chica, where are you? Where's Chica? Nawa ra siya kalit. Karat-karat man, hindi matanaw. Oh my gosh, it's so creepy. Okay, 4 a.m. Oh my gosh. Okay, tama na to si Freddy. Okay. Wala siya nawala this stage nila. Where's si Bon? Oh my god. Ansa na? Ito. Hello, somebody here? Oh my gosh. Itang hikit lagi. Hello? Please why mo jump scare? Oh my gosh. Na-trap ko. Na-trap ko silang kuan. Silang pizzeria. Na-trap ko silang pizzeria. Na-help me. Oh my gosh. Bunny! Okay, Bunny is the most active and aggressive. Oh my god, it's so creepy this game. Fun at Freddy. Fun of Cop. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Hala! Oh my gosh, it's so creepy. Creepy kay siya. Na-dead ko, okay. Oh my god, it's so, creepy. Murag diri ako matapita ng video, guys. Okay, please enjoy this video. So, guys. Bye-bye.